Login failed on Acorns Later distinct product fix. You open your Acorns app to check your retirement savings in Acorns Later, and suddenly the dreaded message pops up: login failed. Don't panic. Most people get this wrong, but the truth is, Acorns Later has a few quirks that make login errors more common than you'd think. First, understand that Acorns Later is linked to your main Acorns account. There is no separate login. The same credentials you use for investing and spending apply to your retirement account too. So, if you can't log into Acorns Later, it means your entire Acorns account needs attention. Start by checking your login credentials. If you recently changed your password on another device, your old login may still be stored. Go ahead and reset your password by tapping Forgot Password, and check your email for the reset link. Make sure to use the same email you registered with originally. Many users accidentally try with the wrong one. If your credentials are right, but you're still seeing login failed, clear your app cache. On iPhone, delete and reinstall the app. On Android, open Settings, find Acorns and tap Clear Data. Outdated app versions can also cause login failures. Visit your app store and check for updates. Acorns regularly pushes security patches that can block older app logins. If you're using public Wi-Fi or a VPN, disconnect and switch to a secure private network. Acorns uses strict encryption and may block unfamiliar IP addresses for safety. And finally, if you still can't get in, wait a few minutes. Acorns occasionally runs maintenance or server updates, especially during peak tax season. So, next time Acorns Later refuses to log you in, remember it's rarely permanent. Double check your credentials, clear your cache, and make sure your app is updated. You'll be back on track, watching your retirement savings grow automatically in just a few moments.